Imagine that you work in a warehouse. You notice a burning smell coming from the equipment. As you further investigate, you see a small fire starting. You quickly grab the fire extinguisher and are unable to use it properly, which leads to the fire spreading and causing thousands of dollars in equipment and property damage. Now, you must be thinking this can't be a true scenario, and this would never ever happen to you, right? Wrong. Any one of us could have been in this situation, and for most of us, we wish to have fire extinguishers around us, but hope to never need to use them. Hi, I am Jeff, a fire marshal and your virtual trainer for this course. Through this course, you will learn the necessary skills on how to use a fire extinguisher safely. At the end of this course, you will understand the basics of fire, know types of fire extinguishers, know when to either fight the fire or evacuate, and understand how to operate a fire extinguisher properly. Let's get started.